what it means, the book of Zoar. Why the word Zoar? Because the word Zoar means splendor. Splendor, it's basically the book of the light. The book of the light, which means the book of how to create an enlightenment. Because we know that the light is always there. And when it's dark outside, it's just because there is no reflector for the light. So basically, if you have a reflector and you're going closer to the sun, you see a lot of light. If there is nothing that hiding the rays from the sun, you will see light. The only reason why we don't see light is because Earth is covering the rays of the sun, or there is no reflector that are allowing us to reveal the light. In the same way, there is huge amount of light that can show us reality and show us what is right and wrong, so no one will make any mistakes. Everyone will behave in the right ways. Like living organism that automatically knows what to do, or an animal that knows how to fight, to protect herself, or a lot of other things that exist built in. We will just have so much wisdom that we'll know exactly how to function, and there will be no chaos eventually. This is what we're all looking for. Why we want technology to be developed, to make life easier, but it's eventually to be able to communicate better, etc., which not always happening with the technology, because it's something in us that needs to grow, to see things better. So the light of the Zoar, what is the Zoar, teach us how to create this reflector internally, how to remove the curtains that blocking us from seeing the reality, which is basically to create a reflector, how to actually connect with this enlightenment that exists in us, which is basically the wisdom that exists in us. So what is so special about the Zoar? That it's not about a book that's telling you, what's written there is very special. What's written there, it's teaching you how to create the reflector that you will be able to see it yourself. This is what's called the splendor, that you start to see the splendor, the light. It's like you have coals and there is fire in it, but you need to create enough oxygen, wind, so eventually the fire take off and then you see things. So the fire exists in us, but we need to create it. So the Zohar teaching you, it's the method of the Zohar, how to see all the secrets of life, how to see the internal things.